How to change TikTok video cover photo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then go to your profile. You won't be able to change cover photo of the videos you have already posted. What you can do is go to your draft, or while you're posting a picture, video, press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen. And in this process, you will find edit cover option. Click on edit cover. After that, at the bottom, you can swipe right or left which cover you want. After you've selected the cover you want, just make sure the square shape is in that, and then press on save at the top right. Then post your video or save to draft, and as you can see, cover photo has been changed. This is how to change TikTok video cover photo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.